Hey everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, Stampin' Camp with Mary. And today I want to show you, this is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you one of the celebration items. Let me bring it up so you can see it all. This is the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper, and you can get it for free with a $50 order, or $50 for every $50 you order, you get to order one of the celebration items. And it's great. Look at that one. It's got really good butterflies. That's a beautiful one. There's purple, and I'll show you the back here in a minute. I like this one too. And then there is the back side. Now these you can color. They're black and white. This one is beautiful. I'll show you this one colored. So one is a colored side and one's a black and white side. Now I like these. I really like the coloring of these. And even though some of them will punch out with the punch, that's on back order now. I don't have the punch, and I didn't bring all my butterfly dies to see if the dies worked with that. So I went and I fussy cutted a whole sheet of them. Not these are, but I fussy cutted a whole sheet of them. And then what I did was I'm starting to color these in with our blends. You can see the colors. You can use different colors with this. You could just cut them out also, or cut them in 4 inches and use them as a background paper. You can also color the flowers. But look at how neat it looks on the back. It looks like there's butterflies underneath the butterflies. So I've done that. Now here's all the ones that I cut out by hand. Well, not all of them, but most of them. I've used some already, like for this card. And I want to make a card here for you. But you'll notice I cut them all out, including those that are on the edges. Let me bring this down a little bit. Including those on the edges. You can see that's like a half of one. Here's like a half of one. We got some that's the top is cut off. I did that because what you can do, here's one with part of the top cut off. You can take, and I'm using Highland Heather here, just making a card base. And what you can do for those that you got cut off, you can butt them up to the edges, like that, like that. Okay, I know I have a couple with the bottoms cut off. So you can do something like that. And they fit perfectly then, okay? So how do you attach these? Well, you can attach them with our tear and tape, our Tombow, our snail, and our glue dots. Because I am almost out of glue dots. I only have like 4 or 3 left. I am going to attach some of these with snail. Now this one has the tops. You know, that butterfly embossing folder we had would work really great with that. No, I didn't bring it with me. Also, what you can do is you want to put a little spring in the step, and you can curl these butterfly wings. I'm going to do a double curl. And then what you do is you probably want to use your glue dots for that. And you know, you guys know me, you know I hate fussy cutting. but I had to get these out. Now they look beautiful on the paper too, so you really don't have to cut them out if you don't want to. But I just love how they go here. Let's see. I'm going to use, I've got a couple of new folks. Do I have? Welcome to the team. Let's see. And I've got, where would that go? Right there. Probably should have put that, stamp this first and not last. There. And let's just get another little small one. And what I want to do is I want to put this one so it looks like it's flying right over that one. Now remember, you can order from me just down below. All the information is there. You'll get a small treat from me, present, or gift from me for ordering. Here. See, quick, easy way to make a card. And look at these butterflies. Look at, they go with Highland Heather, Balmy Blue, Basic Black is in there, Lemon Lime Twist, Grapefruit Grove, and Whisper White. And I'm sure there are some others. I bet you the Mango is there, and Daffodil Delight. So, aren't those pretty? Anyhow, don't forget to order and get the Botanical Butterfly paper. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.